Do you know there is a smarter way to do your dhikr that actually keeps you motivated? Most people start their adhkar but lose count or lose focus. That's because they don't see the progress. Look at this. I'm using the Flee to Allah app. It tracks exactly how long it takes me to reach 100. When you see that it only takes 5 minutes and 42 seconds to get reward of freeing 10 slaves and wiping 100 sins, your brain stops making excuses. The Prophet told us that saying La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika la lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa ala kulli shay'in qadir gives you a shield from shaitan all day and gives you unmatched rewards unless a person does it more than you. By tracking the time, you realize you aren't too busy. You just didn't have the right tool. Stop guessing your progress. Use the tasbih section in Fleeing to Allah to gamify your good deeds. Download it now and see how fast you can become a spiritual billionaire. It is compatible with iOS and Android. Download now. Link in bio.